Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, we are diving into an important topic: how to prevent Apple's AI from risking your personal data. As AI technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it is crucial to understand how to keep your personal information secure. Let us get started. Section 1. Understanding Apple's AI and privacy. First, let us talk about what is Apple's AI actually does and why it is important to be aware of its data practices. Apple uses AI in various ways, from Siri and facial recognition to personalized content recommendations. While these features can be incredibly convenient, they also collect a lot of personal data. Apple has a strong reputation for privacy, but it is still important to take steps to protect your data. Section 2. Managing privacy settings. The first step in protecting your data is managing your privacy settings. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings, open your iPhone, and head to Settings. Privacy. Tap on Privacy to access the main privacy dashboard. Location Services. Here, you can control which apps have access to your location. It is a good idea to set most apps to while using the app or never. Analytics and Improvements. Scroll down and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Disable Share iPhone Analytics and Share iCloud Analytics to prevent your usage data from being sent to Apple. Advertising. Tap on Advertising and enable Limit Ad Tracking. This will reduce the amount of data used to serve personalized ads. Section 3. Controlling Siri data. Siri is a powerful AI assistant, but it also collects a lot of data. Here's how to manage what Siri collects. Siri and Search Settings. Go to Settings and tap on Siri and Search. Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. If you are concerned about privacy, you can disable these features. Siri and Dictation History. Scroll down and tap on Siri and Dictation History. Here, you can delete your Siri history from Apple's servers. Section 4. Using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Another critical step is securing your accounts with strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA. Here's how. Strong passwords. Use unique, complex passwords for all your accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA for your Apple ID and other important accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Section 5. Regular software updates. Keeping your software up to date is essential for security. Apple regularly releases updates that include security patches. Make sure you enable automatic updates. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. Enable automatic updates to ensure you are always running the latest version. Manual updates. If you prefer manual updates, check for updates regularly and install them as soon as they are available. Section 6. Understanding app permissions. Many apps request access to your personal data. Here's how to manage these permissions. App Privacy Settings. Go to Settings and tap on Privacy. Permissions. Review the permissions for each app and revoke any that seem unnecessary. Be particularly cautious with apps that request access to your camera, microphone, contacts, and location. Section 7. Monitoring your data usage. Apple provides tools to help you monitor your data usage. Here's what you can do. Settings. Go to Settings and tap on Screen Time. App Usage. Review which apps are using the most data and consider limiting their access or usage. Notifications. Set up notifications to alert you when an app is using an unusually high amount of data. Section 8. Using VPNs and secure networks. Finally, consider using a virtual private network or VPN and always connect to secure networks. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it harder for anyone to intercept your data. When connecting to public Wi-Fi, always ensure it is a secure network. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your personal data being compromised by Apple's AI. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to protecting your privacy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.